Let me tell you about the number one habit I broke as a micro SaaS founder last month and how I fixed it. And that bad habit was letting my MRR, or my monthly recurring revenue, dictate how I felt. The habit was wake up, check how many installs I had, how many new users I had, and what my MRR was. And I did this check not once, not twice, but probably 5 to 10 times a day. I was always checking to make sure that things were going on track. But in reality, this really had no impact on my day. These were external events I could not control, and I was letting them dictate how I feel. MRR goes down, I feel bad, don't really feel like working. MRR goes up, I feel motivated, elated, and I want to keep on going. And these up and down swings during a workday, or any day even, really weren't useful to how much work I was putting in. Rather, I wanted to focus on my input. How much marketing was I doing? How much development was I doing? How many customers was I communicating with? How many issues? These were things I can control. I can't control if people are coming and signing up for my app. That's up to them. It's not up to me. I can influence it by doing more marketing activities or improving my product's experience overall. In a day, you're only going to get so many hours of productive work in. Why are you going to let some external event impact how you feel and how motivated you are? And so for me, that was the number one habit I broke last month, and it's made my experience so much better. Now I'm trusting the process. I'm trusting that the activities I'm doing are doing good for my business and they're creating more customers. And it's all about the process, day by day, one step at a time, trying to get that 1% better every day. And that's made a huge difference in how I feel. I obviously will check, but I'll spread this out to maybe once a day or once a week, depending on what I'm doing and what type of feedback I'm looking at, so I can keep a pulse on how things going. But just that habit of going in and checking it multiple times a day really isn't going to make that big an impact on anything really, apart from decreasing my motivation. It's a similar analogy to that would be checking your Instagram likes. Does it really matter how many people are liking it? Maybe in an overall, if you're trying to grow everything, sure it does. But checking every few minutes just to see all the new likes, it's just that dopamine rush, and there's no real and tangible benefit to it. So that's the habit I broke and how I fixed it. It was just a simple restricting the time window on when I can check. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed this format of a video, let me know in the comments. I would also love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. I'm coming out with SaaS and micro SaaS content all the time, so you don't want to miss out. Also, if you want to start your own micro SaaS, if you're a dev or a no-code dev, there's a link in the description below to get access to 10 new micro SaaS ideas that you can steal. It's completely free, so make sure you check out that link below.